Good morning everyone, welcome to another garage episode.
Okay, so basically we have bought this steel construction which is supposed to be shelves, and also our idea is for it to have a platform on top, so like the chilling area that is here at the moment would be on top there. Save some space basically. So firstly we need to move this car, we need to move the lift, move this car and clean up all these shelves because we're gonna put the thing in that corner there. Okay, we have everything in, and now just the simple job left of connecting it all together, which seems to be simple, but of course, let's find out.
I czekaj, zapinamy to na wewnątrz. Ja się stanę tu. Bozo.
Put it right here.
Like I said, we thought it's gonna be easy.
Higher, Marek. Yeah, here. I will use more deck.
I don't understand why we couldn't do it when it's on the floor.
Okay, what's the situation, Mark?
1.5 hours and we're done this. It's not very straight, but we're gonna fix that tomorrow or tonight later. For now we're gonna put the second one together just to get the rough idea of where we need to put everything, and we'll see.
Because for now this one is actually stable. Bozo, do a pull up. Okay, so for now we are going home, we have a construction ready, and then tomorrow we're gonna think of a decking that's gonna be on top, flooring, and then about like a stairs or a ladder, and then we wanna have a desk underneath and some shelves as well. So yeah, I'm happy with the results, and let's see tomorrow. Okay, good morning, we have another day. Today morning boys went and bought this, and this is the flooring for the top of the whole thing. I don't know, maybe today is a day that we're gonna try to install the flooring and then see if it's stable and fine to walk on it. Yeah, let's see.
Przekręć nad wozamiatą.
Okay, so there's two pieces, and now we need to have third piece, which is there. We just need to cut it, screw it in, and then we have the whole thing ready. To jest niemożliwe.
Okay, so the area here is finished. Everything is bolted in and all that. It's looking very, very nice.
Now what we need to do is we need to move the whole construction about 0.5 meter towards the front. Because we have shelves like this one and there's more here, we're gonna put them up against the wall right here. And then the plan is to put the chilling zone, which is the carpet, maybe not the sofa, maybe with the sofa we're gonna have another plan. But basically we wanna move all the chilling zone onto the top. Okay, so at the moment it might not look like we've saved some space, but when we move table right there, all this space is gonna be empty. And also when we move the chilling zone up there, I think only then we're gonna see how much space we actually saved. And I think it's a pretty cool idea to have a space up there to look at the garage from the top. I was always dreaming about it, so it's good to have it. And at the moment the guys are gonna try to move all the cars because we need to have Bugi's car inside, because they want to polish his paint. So they're gonna do it tomorrow, they're gonna polish his paint. That's why we're putting car inside here, because it's gonna rain tomorrow. E30. What do you want to say about E30? We took it for a quick training yesterday, and the car was just braking all the time, man.
Who wants to buy E30?
No, you don't want to sell it. No, you don't want to sell it. We're not selling it.
I do want to sell it.
Nope. Why'd you walk on it when you see when I'm drilling?
Why are you drilling that far?
What do you mean? Are you okay?
Yeah, no.
Did I drill through your foot?
No, just through the shoe.
Shame. But what? I was literally drilling and I was thinking, I hope he's not walking on it because I'm drilling.
Yeah, I saw that you're drilling in the corner. So safety is #1 priority.
Don't walk on the top floor when someone's drilling through the top floor.
Yes.
Marco, quick! Okay, it died. Oh shit.
That's some Bedak Hoover.
Bedak Hoover, but works. Look, how clean.
They work.
Okay,
Still a few little
adjustments.
adjustments, especially with the carpet, I think, just to adjust a few things.
Clean.
But yeah,
Properly.
cleaning. But overall, this is like a childhood vibe feel. 'Cause you're like, usually when you're a child, you're like, you're doing these, how do you say?
You wanna have a tree house.
Yeah, a base. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, you wanna have a base. And there it was nice, but it was getting so dusty and
Yeah, it
dirty
wasn't
all
a
the
base.
time.
It wasn't a base.
But this, yeah, you are
This
up
is
here.
base.
The base.
Nightride base.
Nightride gaze.
You also
Bass.
Bass.
Bass, yeah, bass.
Yeah.
A Nightride gaze and a bass.
Definitely childhood dream. Yeah, we need to do a couple adjustments, especially with these, because safety of it.
We cut them, but it's still pretty sharp.
Super sharp,
so
yeah.
need to, but there is nothing really.
And
to
also,
film.
we need to make bets. Who's gonna be the first person that's gonna fall off it?
Yes.
Yeah. This is it. I know since we have this space, we've been doing quite many of these garage makeovers,
yeah.
But it's step by step. We're progressing with the place that.
Because you keep doing we keep doing things and we think like, yeah, this will be it. But then we live with those changes and we're like, no, we want something else.
And then we have another idea.
Yeah, another idea, another one. For now, I'm pretty happy with it.
Let us know your thoughts about all this little project of ours. And,
what would you add to the garage? Maybe some cool ideas.
Yeah. Okay, basically there's one more little thing. Bozo and Bugi, they starting their own YouTube channel. They're basically gonna show everything that's going on here in the garage, plus some of their own stuff. It's gonna be in Polish, so all the Polish people that want to watch us but they don't speak English, they can watch Bugi and Bozo. Their channel is called Śliski Temacik. We're gonna put the link in the description below. First episode, which is actually the same kind of theme, because we are building this space, they've been filming all the process as well. So first episode is on their channel now, so you can go watch it. Definitely different vibes.
There will be a lot of memes there.
Meme channel and jokes, and even if you don't speak Polish, still check it out because it's funny.
Because it's funny.
I am in that channel as well sometimes. I speak Polish in that channel.
Ej, odkręcaj 14.
Odkręcaj.